Unicorns love fast food too! A rainbow burger, colorful chips, sweet cupcakes, and glittering chicken nuggets? Watch these and other magical food recipes in our new video. Unicorn is home alone, and Miss Gonzalez is taking part in the TV show Master Chef. Granny went to her meeting of honored senior citizens, so they invited Fairy to babysit the rainbow creature instead of hiring a nanny. They left a note for her on how to deal with the unicorn. This is more than just a note, it's an entire constitution of rights and duties. Bedtime, meal plan, where to walk? But Fairy knows how to treat unicorns without any help because she's a professional when it comes to magical beings. For starters, let's conjure the favorite snack of all creatures. No unicorn in the world would be able to resist these French fries. Cover French fries with silver spray food coloring. Trace a box template on yellow cardboard. Cut it out and assemble. Attach an M letter made from a glittering foam rubber sheet. Put the French fries into the box. Sprinkle them with food glitter. Glittering French fries win unicorns hard at once. This is so unusual, but at the same time, they are also delicious. Well, the day with the fairy is going to be really magical. Fairy decides to get down to business in earnest. She will cook the yummiest dish for unicorn on her own. Let's see what we have in the kitchen. Squishy milk? I don't think so. Miniature tableware? Oh my god! There you go! For once I want to cook something on my own, but I will have to use magic again. But the milkshake turned out to be exactly what I needed. Print out a label and attach it to a big plastic flower pot. Mix heavy cream with strawberry topping. Add plain yogurt. Add more topping and some vanilla. Mix it. Pour it into the container. Whip some cream. Put it into a confectionery bag and squeeze it onto the milkshake. Make a rainbow from a candy belt. Decorate it with sprinkles. Melt white chocolate and add food coloring to it. Make a chocolate rainbow on parchment paper. Let it harden. Decorate the milkshake and sprinkle it with food glitter. Fairy is calling Unicorn over. A milk surprise is waiting for you. This milkshake will be enough for a whole group of people. We can call Snow White's dwarfs and there will still be some left. Fairy is very generous. It seems that someone is hungry again. Unicorn's stomach gurgles so loud that the neighbors can hear it. Next thing you know, she eats a squishy donut. We need to have some food delivered. But the instructions clearly state that junk food is not allowed. Don't worry, Unicorn, because this is not a regular food delivery. This is a magical express delivery from a mountain elf restaurant. They have only organic products. Fairy orders something and Unicorn is looking forward to it. Knead yeast dough with food coloring. Shape it like a big bun and put it on a tray covered with parchment paper. Sprinkle it with sesame seeds and cover it with plastic wrap. Leave it for 15 minutes so that it can rise. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Add blue and pink food coloring to mayonnaise. Cover the bottom part of the cut bun with the purple mayonnaise. Put lettuce on top. Add a chicken patty colored with food coloring. Add some ketchup made from yellow tomatoes on top. Put rings of red and yellow bell pepper and cover it with the top part of the bun. Elf delivery may be nice, but it takes way too long. Obviously, because frying a dish on dough is not easy. The order is finally here. A special rainbow burger was cooked for Unicorn. It's so huge! It would be great to have a knife. Unicorn cuts the giant burger. Its size reminds Unicorn of a big cake, and its color reminds her of a rainbow. Unicorn and Fairy stuff their faces with the burger. A walk outside is on the agenda after lunch. But while Fairy is talking to trees and bugs, the quick unicorn has already vanished into thin air. Here she is. You can only see her hooves. She has found some berries again. Come here. Ew! Spit that out! You should eat this yummy treat instead. Add a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and food coloring to heavy cream. Mix it. Make cream of 2 colors. Put it into a confectionery bag and cover some muffins with it. Roll out fondant to make a thin layer. Cut out a unicorn horn and ears following a template. Cover it with edible glue and sprinkle it with food glitter. Shape the ears. Decorate the cream with edible beads. Put the horn with ears on top. Unicorn loves it! Colorful puffy cream and sweet muffins are her favorite food. It's a hot afternoon. Fairy is quenching her thirst with Sprite, but it's not regular, it's magical. Pour Sprite into a cup. Add blue food coloring to it. Print out a label that says Sprite Unicorn and attach it to the cup. Unicorn also wants to drink, but Fairy doesn't allow her to taste the Sprite. Granny has clearly said that soda is forbidden. What should she do? Because Unicorn will suffer from thirst and injustice. Fairy has a solution to this problem. It's special water for unicorns. Cut a horn and unicorn ears out of a glittering foam rubber sheet. Trace the detail on a pink foam rubber sheet and cut it out. Fasten the pieces. Glue it to a water bottle without labels. Decorate it with pom-poms. Attach toy eyes. Wrap the neck of the bottle with satin ribbons. This is more than just a bottle of water. This is a magical potion made of rainbows and good thoughts. It's exactly what our unicorn needs. A cooking battle is taking place in the kitchen. A contest, how to make something yummy, and some very different ingredients are being used. Unicorn mixes all the wonders in the world together: toys, rainbows, and squishies, and a pinch of magical pollen. Fairy is keeping up. She whips real magic with a whisk. We will have a feast for lunch today. Dip chicken nuggets in milk and sprinkle them with food glitter. Put them onto a tray and bake them for 10 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Wrap a box using paper with rainbow print. Put the nuggets into the box when they are ready. Fairy has cooked some magical nuggets. A brilliant idea! I mean, literally! Because the nuggets are sparkling like diamonds with all the colors of the rainbow. Unicorn can't decide what color she likes more. Whatever, she will eat both. And now Unicorn will show off her dish. A yummy smelling pizza with rainbow flavor. Cut vegetables to make pizza decorations. Cut cheese into triangular slices and color them in water with dissolved food colorings. Cover a pizza crust with cheese sauce. Put the cheese slices on top, interchanging the colors. Put vegetables on top. Bake it in an oven. Everyone will get a slice of this tasty pizza. Choose the color you want. A boring lunch is not our cup of tea. Fairy and Unicorn are watching the exciting movie Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Here's one right on the sofa. She wants to steal some chips from the bowl. Of course, Unicorn is not allowed to eat chips. Miss Gonzalez would never forgive Fairy for that. But saying no to Unicorn is very hard. This creature is such a cutie. Fairy meets her halfway and creates rainbow Pringles just for unicorns. Add 1 egg yolk, salt, and 1½ ounces of flour to 3½ ounces of mashed potato. Add food coloring. Roll out the dough to make a thin layer and cut out a circle. Bake it on parchment paper for 10 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover it with vegetable oil. Blot the excess oil with a napkin. Sprinkle it with fine salt. Make chips of different colors. Attach a Pringles label with a rainbow background to a food container. Put the chips into the box and cover it with a logo cap. Rainbow Pringles are a success! Unicorn crunches on them as hard as she can. She just can't stop. Oops! It looks like somebody has had too much fast food. Now Unicorn is allergic to rainbows. Oops! Did you like our unicorn food? Then write in the comments which rainbow fast food you would like to cook. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.